In this video, we're going to add bats to our header. So the first thing I need to do is come over to my web and IDX because I need to add a code onto my site in the header. So I could go down to analytics, but we're just going to scroll down to get to our header, custom header code. I already have stuff in here. I'm just going to hit enter and then paste and save. This is going to help initiate flying bats. Now I'm going to come over to my template because I want to add a Halloween video. Let me go to my actual website. There we go. So right now, you can see the bats are already there. So right now I have kind of a lifestyle type of video, which you can keep, or in the blog, I actually have a bunch of other videos that are more Halloween. Let's see. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to come back over to my web and IDX. I'm going to click template, which will take me right over to this YouTube ID. And you can see it's not the full URL. If you use that full URL, you will get a black screen, not a video. So here is a YouTube video that Inside Real Estate showed. I want to delete everything before the V equals. So that's going to be the ID. Let me click save. And now let's come over here and let's refresh and see which one that is. So you can see this now has a Halloween. There's a couple other ones I like to share with you. But this is how you can make your website more festive for Halloween. Thanks, guys.